pilots ready for flight. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
We're 15 matches into qualifications. Let's see what we've got over on the Red Alliance. Two of these Red Alliance robots, all three actually on the move, trying to get autonomous gear delivered, but not quite lined up. But over on the blue, looks like we have one lined up and successfully delivered in autonomous for a 20-point bonus, plus the 40 points for the spinning rotor. That significantly boosts the Blue Alliance. They're up by 20 points at the end of the autonomous period. They also have that reserve gear, so they're one gear ahead. But the Red Alliance catches right up. They got their next gear. Both these teams now looking for one more gear to get their rotor number 2 up and operational. T-53, they've got one in the machine. They're headed across, being blocked by the Supreme Eagles, or actually the Misfits, giving them a little bit of trouble, but they are making their way through. Mills Robotics team delivers that gear to the Blue Alliance airship, and over on the Red, we got more gears delivered to the Red as well. Both these teams spinning up their second rotor, and those second rotors operational on both alliances. It's still a 20-point game. 95 Red, 115 Blue. But Blue Alliance is already 2 gears into their third rotor as these robots continue to cycle back and forth across the field. 114 Eagle Strike, they've got one on their machine. They're making their way up and over to their airship. Looks like the Misfits were blocking their way, and on the other side of the airship, Supreme Eagles are blocking their way. We've got some Red Alliance defense on both sides of the airship, but the Eagle Strike gets on through to deliver their gear. They only need one more in the Blue Alliance. Deep Blue picks that gear up off the ground, and they're lining it up on that davit, or on that gear lift. But here's the next gear for the Blue Alliance. It's up and delivered. Here comes rotor number 3. It's all they needed. And now the Blue Alliance pulls ahead, widening that lead to by 60 points. Deep Blue makes their way back across the field, looking for one more gear. Red Alliance needs 2 more if they want to catch up and earn their third rotor bonus. But now we're in the final 30 seconds, and you know what that means. These robots want to climb aboard. It's less than a 50-point game now. The Red Alliance has their second rotor spinning. We've got some steam pressure. Some shots on that boy. They're trying to earn that steam pressure, but there's not quite enough time. It's time for these robots to climb aboard. There's only 10 seconds remaining. Deep Blue not triggering that light. 2 red robots are ready for takeoff. They've taken the lead. 114, Eagle Strike is ready for takeoff. Closing that gap as time expires. Our referees making the final checks before we bring you the official score. These airships have taken flight. We have your official scores. It's the Red Alliance crossing that finish line first with a score of 220. Blue Alliance 205.